So first I'm going to be mapping everything out using the micro brow pencil. I'm then going to apply the Total Control foundation all over my skin and blend that in. I'm then filling everything in using the That's the Point liner and the matte lid lingeries. I'm then going to highlight everything using the white liquid liner, and then I'm going to add some shading to make it look more realistic. I'm then going to create a smoky eye, which I'm going to bring quite far down to create fake tears, and I'm also going to black out my lid. I'm then going to add in some extra details and of course add tons of highlighter from the Born to Glow palette. Then I'm going to contour using the Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm also going to create a slit in my brow. I'm then going to do the exact same on the other side, fill in my lips, add a little bit more detail. I'm then going to stick some cogs over the top to make this look even more 3D. Add some top and bottom lashes, and then apply the exposed metallic liquid suede all over my lips. Then I'm filling in my neck using the SFX Creme Colours in black and brown. I'm then going to create a string effect using one of the Epic Ink liners, which I'm going to bring all the way up to my neck. I then mix the black SFX Creme Colour with some facial oil to create a dirt oily effect. I'm then going to add a few more details using the white liquid liner, and that is the finished look.